Today, the goal was to reduce the level in the hallway and stone up, ready for sand and concrete. We started off by digging out the current floor in the hallway. There was so much made up ground, and we came across quite a few big rocks like this. And then we would wheel it out, put it into the telehandler, and then pour it onto the pile. Had to put in a video of me driving because I didn't crash, and I was quite proud of that. And then here we are using the level just to check that we'd gone low enough. And then we moved on to the back section of the hallway by the back door, and we're just doing the same thing, digging up the stone. Then we needed to loosen it up in the corners, so, you know, they brought the muscles in. And then here we are checking that that section's low enough. Then it was time for a quick bucket change so that we could grade the floor. And then we started loading the stone into the tipping skip. We wanted to pour the stone further in, but we couldn't get the telehandler any further because of the wall, so we just had to put it here and then spread it out with the digger. And for the rest, we just filled up the wheelbarrows and poured that in. I had a go, but I was pretty rubbish, so quickly got sacked from that job, and then we were just spreading it out. And then here we are, just checking that we'd put enough stone in. We did have to consider the fact that we're going to compact it with the whacker plate, and that's going to make it lower. I did have a go on the whacker plate, but I only did about 5 seconds before my arms started to ache, so I gave that back to Joe. And then it started to snow, so I had to get a little video of that. Then it was time to dig out the kitchen, so we moved the acro props so that we could get the digger into the kitchen and the load all up close. Then we started to dig up the kitchen, ready for stone, sand and concrete. We didn't manage to finish the kitchen today, so we did the final pour, and then it was time to go home.